Today we're on the Scarlet Lady. It's the extra large Sea Terrace on the Scarlet Lady. This is from the preview that I did back on September 27th, 2021, where myself and a whole bunch of other travel advisors were invited to go down to Miami and check out the Scarlet Lady about a week and a half before it debuted in the US on October the 6th. So this gave me a good chance to wander around for a few hours and record some video of the Scarlet Lady. Nothing up there, but you do have these shelves here, which is not bad. Place to sit. This is an interesting little deal here. I guess this is from where it'll slide. Looks like you could probably put luggage under there, so that's good. Refrigerator. So we have two regular 120s and a couple of USBs, so that's nice. Of course, one of them's being taken up by this guy, but that's all right. Ooh, these are nice and thick. Tables. Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. Somebody got smart. We've got power. Look at that. Let's see if we have any over here. No, only on one side. But that's okay. It's more than a lot of older cruise ships have. Lighting switches. Nice little balcony here. Here's your hammock. So you can sit out here and hang out on the hammock. Industrial table and chairs, but they kind of match the rest of the ship, so that's kind of cool. Got that gunmetal gray going on everywhere. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Tilting shower head. I like it. Got the little separate one thing there. A little clothesline dryer where you can dry your stuff out. And next door, little toilet area. Very nice and clean, well designed. Frosted glass. Do not disturb. is the one that has the other configuration. So that's nighttime. And this would be, I guess, daytime. Seems like an awful lot of work for the crew members to have to keep changing this in and out. Nice little storage area. These are nice. Well, when you see this day configuration, it is kind of comfortable because a lot of the room is open. There's your balcony. So you see what I mean? How like the bulk of the room is open. Gives an interesting feel to it. It's very nice. So we're on deck 8. I think this is the deck I'm going to be staying on during my cruise, come to think of it.
Hello, sir.
Hello, hello.
How are you?
Where is
Good,
your
good.
next?
What's that?
Sweet Kevin? Your
Okay.
next.
Next destination is
Yeah,
8009.
I don't know.
Because
Kinda wild.
8009.
Kind of making my way down.
Down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know,
okay.
kind of just start at the top, working my way down. So.
Moving on. So you
So
have
there's
been to
another
the
more there.
suite? The suite cabin, did
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I've seen those up on the upper decks.
Upper
Yeah.
deck.
Okay.
Okay, so.
One question, is there a place I can get like a, I want bottled water or aluminum can of water or something?
Yes.
I've seen the refill stations everywhere, but like where do you get the
This bottle.
bottle or the can to refill?
That's a good question.
Like I don't have any water with me and I am dying of thirst. I just want a bottle of water, a can of water, water something. And I don't want to have to keep going up to the galley to get it.
Yeah.
The ground.
The ground?
The ground stop.
The ground stop.
You can,
sorry.
yeah, you can just.
Okay
go-
guys, so just a little bit of an update. If you'd like, someone would like to